Before we start, forget everything you have ever heard about online business. Something completely new is about to launch, and it's going to change everything. It's called Onpassive, a new IT company with a really big vision. For the first time, a business is putting humanity first, making success achievable for everyone with access to the internet by design. Onpassive is a brick-and-mortar company. It has hundreds of staff, it has dozens of products, and it has them now, before public launch. Onpassive provides a complete digital solution for both business and personal use, but it's much more than that. Onpassive's disruptive proprietary software, cutting-edge artificial intelligence, and interconnected product suites are transforming the online world. The digital marketing tools alone were enough to make Onpassive a huge success. But Onpassive's CEO and top-notch tech team did not stop at enough. They over-delivered. Onpassive has developed superior tools for every aspect of life: communication, education, marketing, business automation, HR, payroll, website creation, e-commerce. The list goes on and on. Onpassive is self-funding, debt-free, and licensed and registered in over 200 countries. So how does Onpassive work? After launch, everyone who joins Onpassive becomes a customer. They'll use the IT products and love them. This includes the 600,000 founders who joined the company pre-launch. All customers will pay a monthly subscription fee. This gives them access to not just one, but all of the products on the Onpassive platform, a huge value. At the click of a button, customers can become independent resellers of the IT products, and that is what allows them to earn residual income, if they wish. By becoming a founder now, something you can only do pre-launch, you secure a position in Onpassive for the 100% guaranteed fully refundable price of 97 US dollars. Imagine getting into Google or Amazon at the start for less than $100. Onpassive will help you skyrocket your current business if you have one. It will drive targeted traffic, people who want your product, directly to your website. It's a fully automated business. And if you don't have a business, then Onpassive becomes your business, one that is fully done for you. Onpassive's unique design will give you both the time and money freedom to live your fullest life. For a limited time, you can become an Onpassive founder and be a part of history in the making. To register, connect with the person who shared this video with you, or click the link in the description or comments below. For more information, visit www.onpassive.com. Search for Onpassive on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. On LinkedIn, find us at Onpassive Official. Thank you for watching.
Contact us today to start, build, and grow the business you've always dreamed about and deserve to have.